This video tutorial I will cover now methods of YearMonth class. Here I have defined a class YearMonth demo 1. I am running this program in debug mode. Here I have created clock object. Then I am calling now method of YearMonth class and passing clock object. This method will return current year and month. Here I have defined a class YearMonth demo 2. I am running this program in debug mode. Here I have created zone ID object. Then I am calling now method of YearMonth class and passing zone ID. This method will return current year and month.